Hey guys, and welcome to another tutorial on this channel. In this tutorial we're going to be learning about how to use your phone as a face cam, as well as we're going to be learning about how to put it onto OBS Studio. So all you need is a phone and a computer with OBS Studio. So let's get started. So here we are on my phone, and let's install this app called Webcam. So right here, if you just type in Webcam, go on it, then here that's what you have to download, and then right here just press install, or for you it'll say get right here, and then just let it install and then press open. And then we haven't installed Webcam onto a computer right now, so let's go onto that. So right here we're on the computer back, and all you have to do is just type in Webcam onto Google Chrome. So Google Chrome or Safari or wherever you use, so just type in Webcam, and then here just press on the first link right here. So all you have to do once you get onto the website, just press on right here, just press Windows, download for Windows right here. Then here it will just start downloading in the bottom left. Then once it's downloaded, press on it, so it'll say opening the Webcam. Then here just press yes right here, and then here select the language you're using. So I'm using English, press OK, then just save it where you want it. So I'm gonna save it onto my desktop. So if I go into users here, then desktop, so if you just select that and then here press next, press next again, untick run at startup. I mean you could tick it, but I'm not gonna tick it. So press next, then press install. So give you a few seconds, and yeah, so right here it'll say it's completed, and then here just press run ivcam.exe, then press finish, and then right here just press allow access. Then here we got the software right here. So all you have to do is just connect it to your own connect it to your own phone. So if you just press on the Webcam link, and then right here, that's the software right there. So yeah, so as you can see is right here. So all you have to do now is just go on right here, go on add. So once you got your OBS Studio, so press add, then press on capture display, or it says device, so just press that. Then here once you do that, just name it facecam, and then here press OK, and then right here it will go on E2 iSoft camera, E2 IV camera here, and then right here just go on, press OK, and then right here you got it. So all you have to do, then you can just exit out of that, then just minimize it right here, or yeah, just minimize, yeah, just make it, you could put it anywhere, just you can make it as small as you can or big as you want. So all you have, yeah, so just resize it to wherever you want. But as you can see, there's a Webcam logo right there. So all you have to do is just go on, just right click on it, press on filters, then press on go on effect filters, then go on crop pads, then just press OK, and then here if you want to go on top, then go 10. So I think that should, or 100 actually, yeah, so that right here, it should get rid of it right there. And then here all you want to do is just press close, and then here, yeah, you can't see it anymore right there. So that's how you get the face cam right there. And then all you have to do is just press lock. So right there, yeah, so that's the Webcam right there. Then once you exit out of it, so when you press X on it, or it'll just say right there, waiting for Webcam connection. So right there, that's how you get the face cam. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more tutorials like these in the future. As the next video, we're going to be learning about how to style lists. So if you want to learn more CSS and other tutorials, make sure to check out the playlist, and I'll see you in the next video.